Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see some solid problems on maximum power transfer theorem for DC circuits. First problem is find the load resistance and maximum power value if the maximum power is transferred from source to load. So from the given network, so the load resistance RL is connected at the terminals A and B. You want to find the resistance of RL and also the maximum power that is transferred from source to load. So from the given network, we have to we have to solve the given network in the form of a Thevenin equivalent circuit. We know the Thevenin equivalent circuit consisting of a voltage source VTH and a resistance RTH along with the load RL. So to calculate the VTH, first we have to remove the load resistance RL to form an open circuit, and we have to find the voltage in the open circuit, that is VOC. This VOC is also called as a Thevenin voltage. So from the figure, the VOC is nothing but the voltage across 5 ohm resistance. Since there is no current flowing in the 6 ohms, it is acting as a dummy. There is no use of 6 ohm resistance. So we have to find the voltage in the 5 ohm resistor. So to find the voltage in the 5 ohm resistor, we need the current in that 5 ohm branch. Therefore, to find the current, we have to apply KVL in the loop. If we apply KVL in the loop, so 20 is equal to, so total we have 4 resistors are there. Summation of all the resistors, we're getting 13I. So it implies current value in the circuit is 1.54 amperes. Therefore, VOC, that is open circuit voltage, is calculated as I into 5. Therefore, the Thevenin voltage is 7.69 volts. So then after we have to calculate the Thevenin resistance. To calculate the Thevenin resistance, we have to deactivate all the sources in the given network. We have a single voltage source is there, so we have to make it as a short circuit. So after making the short circuit from the load side, so we have to calculate the equivalent resistance RTH. So from this RTH value can be calculated as 9.08 ohms. After calculating of VTH and RTH, the Thevenin equivalent circuit that is formed as VTH and RTH along with the RL. Now, according to the maximum power transfer theorem, the maximum power is transferred from source to load only when RL value is equal to RTH value. Therefore, the load resistance value is 9.08 ohms, and the amount of maximum power is VOC square by 4 into RL. Therefore, upon substituting the values, we are getting the maximum power is 1.63 watts. The second problem is find the load resistance and maximum power in the figure if maximum power is transferred from source to load resistance. So from the figure, we have a current source along with a parallel resistance, and load is connected RL across A and B. Therefore, we have to calculate this value, the amount of load resistance and also the amount of maximum power transferring from source to load. So here we have two parallel resistance 4 and 6. Upon simplifying the parallel formula, 4 into 6 by 4 plus 6, we're getting 2.4 ohms. So now we have to calculate the voltage in this open circuit because the entire network should be replaced with a Thevenin equivalent circuit. So for that purpose, we have to remove the load resistance across the terminals A and B, and we have to calculate the voltage in the open circuit, that is VOC. Therefore, from the circuit, VOC is nothing but the difference in the voltages VA and VB. So where VA is nothing but simply the product of voltage, current source and resistance, 6 into 2.4, that is 14.4 volts. So similarly, VB value can be given as the current is flowing in the opposite direction to 6 amps. Therefore, it is minus 3 into 1. So therefore, VB value is minus 3 volts. Therefore, the open circuit voltage can be given as 17.4 volts. Now to calculate the Thevenin resistance, we have to replace all the internal sources, all the sources with with the short circuit. Voltage source is there, we have to make it as a short circuit. Current source is there, we have to make it as an open circuit. Therefore, we have to deactivate the sources. So here we have two current sources are there. So these two current sources should be open circuited. So the equivalent circuit can be redrawn after deactivating the sources is shown in the figure. So from this figure, RTH can be calculated as so simply the series summation 2.4 plus 1 3.4. So upon calculating of Thevenin voltage and Thevenin resistance, we have to draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit as shown in the figure. So from this figure, VOC is nothing but open circuit voltage or Thevenin voltage, RTH is nothing but Thevenin resistance, RL is nothing but load resistance. So as per maximum power transfer theorem, so to transfer the power from source to load as a maximum, load resistance should be is equal to source resistance. Therefore, RL value is equal to RTH, that is 3.4 ohms, and the amount of maximum power is given as VOC square by 4 into RL. Therefore, the maximum power is 22.26 watts. Next, to find load resistance and maximum power if maximum power transferred from source to load. So here also we have 3 voltage sources are there, and he want the current, then the value of load resistance RL and the amount of maximum power. So these are the similar model. So we have to calculate the Thevenin equivalent circuit. For that we are removing the load resistance and there is a open circuit is formed. So we have to calculate the open circuit voltage VOC. So upon for that we have apply the KCL at the node. So we are getting nodal equations. So upon simplifying these nodal equations, we are getting the VOC open circuit voltage value as 11.06 volts. So this open circuit voltage is also called as Thevenin voltage. So after calculating the Thevenin voltage, we have to calculate the Thevenin resistance. For that we have to deactivate all the sources. Since in the given network all the voltage sources are there, therefore we have to make it all the voltage sources by short circuits, and the equivalent circuit is shown in this figure. So from with respect to RTH, with respect to the open terminals, so the 3 resistances are in parallel. Therefore RTH can be calculated as 1.277 ohms. So after calculating VTH and RTH, the Thevenin equivalent circuit is formed here. So from the maximum power transfer theorem, to transfer the maximum power from source to load, the RL value should be is equal to RTH. Therefore RL value is calculated as 1.277 ohms, and the amount of maximum power is given as VOC square by 4 into RL. Therefore the maximum power is 23.95 watts. Thank you.